Hello friends, this is onlineseleniumtraining.com. Today we are going to learn something very special. Before we going forward, we just setting out our motto again. Everything is available on google.com. Just you need to write right query to search the desired things. So now we are moving forward to the training session topics. What is Eclipse? We'll learn something very interesting about Eclipse. What is Eclipse? How to download Eclipse for Windows, how to install Eclipse on Windows, how to write first Hello World Java program in Eclipse, getting started with Eclipse shortcut. So these all stuff we are going to learn in this video session. So first of all, to know more about this, we have one text file which having list of all this topic, so we can easily copy it out and search it out on the Google. So we open up the browser, open up the Google and typing out what is Eclipse. Okay, so we open up the Wikipedia link. Okay, it's Eclipse is multilingual software development environment comprising an integrated development environment. Means it's IDE using which we can develop different programs of Java, PHP, C++, more and more stuff. So this is open source tool. We can use it with GNU license, Eclipse public license, and these all are the releases of Eclipse. Today we are going to download this version. It's Juno. So let's get started to download. How to download? For that, we first of all go to the goal text file, copy up this text to search, paste it out over here. So we get the first link. We open up a new tab. See here, Eclipse downloads. So we have different category of downloading options over here. These all are having different functionality, but for this is something very interesting and very unique bundle of projects. So we are interested to download this Eclipse IDE for Java EE Enterprise Edition developers. My PC is of 64 bits, so I download by this link. You can download by this link as well. Clicking out in new tab, open up in new tab. Here we have different option. If you having torrent downloading section or software, you can use this, or these are we have different checksums, and this is HTTP download option. So we clicking out on this, we have option to save this file. I have already downloaded this file, so we go to my base directory and check it out how it look like. We go to the desktop, open the training, maximizing. So this is that file. You can see that the name is same as that, it's same file. Okay, so I open it up. This is the Eclipse file. We need to unzip. Okay, I already unzipped it. It is this kind of folder. Eclipse is not having any kind of setup like Windows exe file, or we have installed any other Windows based application. This is come with a bundle of different features. We have executable file over here. We just need to click to start Eclipse. So before we going forward, we just try to check our next topic, how to install, write a first hello world program, and be familiar with Eclipse software. Okay, this is nice. Okay, so we need to set up workspace where we putting up all the code or packages of our Eclipse development period. We checking out this, selecting the location, check this so we don't get this message again and again. Open up Eclipse Uno. It takes some time loading workbench. So here we go. We have project explorer, we have markers, properties, servers, if we had installed data source explorer, snippets, and many more things. Good. So this is all is Eclipse. This is file navigation menu. This is project explorer. Okay, so before we going forward, we try to add one new project in this section. Okay, so these all are the perspective. If you add something in this Eclipse, you can use this. Okay, so currently we are not interested in that. We try to add one sample program over here. To add project, Java project, we have to click here, hello world test. This is Java project. Choose all our stuff as it is. Okay, so this is source folder. In this we are going to create one Java program. Right click on it, go to new, create a class. We are going to write our first program, hello world. Select public static void main. Remove this all default stuff, writing down the system out println, type sample text. Okay, click this green button icon to run this program. Okay, here we go. This is the console. In this we get the output. Okay, so this is the list of methods in the class file. So this is called outline. We can finding out the task list. So this is default package. This package contains all of the class Java files or class files. So we try to create one new class, name it sample test with void main selected. Okay, so we are going to write something very interesting in that. Before we going forward, we try to search a very easy program to execute and understand how Eclipse works. So for that we going to the browser, open up these Java examples, going to fundamentals. This Website contains very interesting Java examples, all Java interesting stuff over there. You can learn from basic to advanced. So we go to the fundamental section. We select Java factory example. We copying out this code and paste it out over here. So if we, this is one functionality, if the name of the class file and the Java file having name conflict, then we need to rename the any of this file, because this is the rule that the class file name and the class name and class file or Java file name should be the same. So this is one interesting stuff about Eclipse. Okay, so we have two Java files. So before we going forward, we try to understand what is this link editor. Link editor show, when we click on that, this is in enable situation. Okay, so whenever we select class or Java file over here, okay, this same file selected from the Java project list or all the packages list, when you select over here, so the meaning of that, these both things are in synchronization state. So whenever we select this will selected, whenever we select this will selected, so we can find out that in which file we are working out. So these are all Java runtime environment library files. Before we going forward, we try to run this file, run as Java application. So here we get the factorial number, number 1 to 5, factorial of 1 to 5. If you want to factorial of 1 to 6, means we get this result. Okay, so this is something very nice. Okay, before we going forward, we checking out our next topic. It's Eclipse shortcut. So to learn more about Eclipse shortcut, go to the goal file, copying out text, go to the browser, open up the Google, clicking out. This is very interesting website having list of Eclipse shortcuts. So first shortcut is Control Shift R. Okay, so for this we going over here, press Control Shift R. What is the meaning of that? Open and search the resources, example files. Control Shift T, search is for types. Like if we want to search number, we have the file having name number. If you want to search hello world, we have type hello world is listed out. Okay, seems nice. Control Shift T, we want to search type, like character. So we have list of characters. If we create any custom types, then we can find it out over here. So there are list of shortcuts available here. This is also very interesting. Control O, this will list out all these method of these a single class. If we're going out here and create one class, under this, and now we hit Control O, so we get the two class options. So if we having 1000 number of line of code and we want to find out the functions available on this class, we can use Control O to searching out over here. This is also very interesting. Control Shift F, so format the source code. If we having unformatted text, we press Control Shift F and everything going to be in formatted situation. Is also very useful. So you can find all the very interesting shortcuts from this website. So it's very easy. As our motto, everything is available on Google. We need to search the right query to get the right result. So this is the end of this session. Have a nice day. Goodbye.